Hey everybody, Jimmy Grappone here with Costello Real Estate and Investments, and I came out to a broker open today in Waxhaw Marvin area. It's at 3202 Waxhaw Marvin Rd. Beautiful horse farm, lots of acreage out here, and we're on about 5.5 acres, and I'm with the listing agent, Bob Bunzey. He's with Wilkinson ERA. He was the host of this broker open, and he's going to give us a tour of this property. So Bob's actually holding the camera now, so we'll trade places, and we'll turn it on Bob here. So how's it going, Bob?
Good, Jimmy. Hey, I appreciate you coming out today.
Absolutely.
My name's Bob Bunzey. I'm with Wilkinson ERA Real Estate, and this is my listing on Waxhaw Marvin Rd, 3202 Waxhaw Marvin Rd.
Okay.
It's actually 10.8 acres in total.
Okay.
Over to my left, there's a parcel that includes 5.2 acres. We're standing on the second parcel with the home and the barn, and that's 5.6 acres.
Okay. You were telling me earlier you can buy it all together, or you can split it up,
Or
right?
separately. That's
Okay.
right. That's right. The home and the barn and the 5.6 acres is now being offered at $1.599 million,
Okay.
and the separate parcel is being offered at $475,000.
Okay.
And you could build a house and a barn and everything you wanted on that second parcel if you'd like.
All right. Do the horses come with the property? Probably not, right?
I should mention that the horses can come with the property.
The horses can come. Okay.
They are being offered the property. They're about 20 years old, very gentle horses, great with kids. Their children do ride the horses regularly. It also comes with all the tack that they have here. It comes with a John Deere tractor and attachments. So it's basically a turnkey horse farm for anybody that wants to just step in and take it over.
You don't even have to bring your own horses.
No bringing your own horses if you don't want to.
All right. Well,
we'll accommodate up to 5 horses. The farm has got 5 stalls.
okay.
And very nicely equipped as we'll see.
Very cool. Let's go on inside.
Sure, let me show you the inside.
All right. So this is in the Marvin Ridge School District, is that correct?
It's in the Marvin Ridge School District, some of the best schools in the state.
And we just came in off the back porch there.
We did. That's sort of the back door, front door.
Okay.
You can see the kitchen has been totally renovated, as most of the house has been over the last 2 years. It's really, the effective age of this house is 2018.
Okay.
It was actually built in 1993, but completely renovated over the last couple of years.
Nice.
So let me take you on back and show you the rest of the house.
I love the barn doors throughout. They kept that the farm theme.
The farm theme. It's sort of a modern farm theme throughout. It's got all the updated colors, the finishes.
And this is the master. We're in the master suite right now. The master bath. Oh my gosh.
Bath. They did a wonderful job in the shower.
Can you step in there just for scale? I want to show people how big this shower is.
I'm only 5'8".
Okay.
You can kind of get an idea.
This is unreal, yeah.
So it kind of goes on and on.
Yeah, this is great.
Beautiful walk-in shower. Love that they did the
ceiling.
stone on the ceiling.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Yep. You'll notice the large windows and the brightness that it brings in. Quite often in this room you're going to see the horses passing by. There is the porch is a walk-around porch. You can get onto it from the back, and it goes all the way across the front. Nice vaulted ceiling here, lots of space.
Yeah, this is the great room here.
Great room.
All right.
And back to the bedroom area. We've got 4 bedrooms back here, all of them ensuite, bathrooms in each. That's used as the guest room. This is a little powder room that goes to the kitchen and the hallway here. Another ensuite bedroom here.
Okay.
Then we've got an office back here and 2 more bedrooms.
And this is like a whole other house back here.
It is. It's quite a surprise.
Yeah. So a huge living area here. Lots of storage behind those barn doors.
Washer and dryer hookups in those large closets.
And I noticed, so back here, we won't go out there, but this door right here is a 3-car garage.
Three-car
and there's a 1-car garage right off the
kitchen.
Off the
That's
kitchen.
Right.
Cool.
So total of 4 cars. Another ensuite bedroom here. And then the 4th ensuite bedroom here at the end of the house.
Nice.
Yep. They recently had a wedding back here in this space.
Yeah, there's definitely enough room for it.
Yep. So gas lock fireplace, you've got your fridge, your wet bar. We've got a powder room that opens up to the pool area.
Okay.
And then upstairs in the loft area, we've got a pool table and then a media game room that's up to the side.
All right.
You can walk up there if you want. Or
We don't need to go up there. I want to show. We're getting long on the video here, so
Yeah.
let's take a look outside. This is one of my
Sure.
favorite parts for sure.
Yep.
This is a selling feature of this home right here. Beautiful. Now, is this a saltwater pool or?
So they added this on when they did all the renovation. It's a saltwater pool, Pebble Tech. It's about 8 feet deep in the deep end to accommodate a jumping rock.
Okay.
It's all travertine decking out here, which is kind of cool to the foot.
Mm-hmm.
All your pool heater, all your equipment is around the corner behind the stone wall,
Okay.
so you don't hear any of it operating.
And man, this outdoor kitchen is something else too.
Yeah, they've you can accommodate some pretty large parties with this this grill. I mean, you could probably put 50 patties on here.
Oh, yeah.
or
I mean,
more. You know,
It's a good spot to watch the Panthers game on
and
Sunday.
watch the Panthers game out here. All the TVs, all the built-in surround sound is all brought back to a central location in the house.
Okay.
Totally wired, and it's, as you see, there's no wires hanging out, no anything. You can control it anywhere you want in the house
Very good.
from a sound perspective.
Cool.
So, yeah, so very livable. This is such an oasis that's so close to Marvin Ridge High School, close to shopping, about as close in as you can get,
Yeah.
and still have the country feel. The 10, if you want it, the 10.8 acres, and a beautiful house to boot.
It really is.
Jimmy, I appreciate you coming
Yeah,
out today.
Bob, appreciate it. Thanks a lot
you.
for the tour. So, again, everybody, this was 3202
3202
Waxhaw Marvin Rd. If you're interested in the property and would like to see it, qualified buyers, of course, feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to give you a private tour of this property. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me as well. And thanks a lot for viewing. We'll see you next time.